Sometimes we need to find more complicated percents of a number, or sometimes we need to find the part or the whole. So maybe we need to figure out what 75% of 120 is. So let's say we have 120 students and 75% of them are passing. Hooray! How many students is that? Well, we can use this proportion. The percentage out of 100 is equal to part over the whole amount. So if we have 75% of the students, some of them, we don't know how many, we'll use X. It's proportional out of 120, okay? So it's going to be something less than 120. It should be more than half of 120 because 75% is more than 50%. Okay, so it's going to be somewhat more than 60, but less than 120. All right, so we're just going to kind of plug in what we know into our proportion. So the percent goes up here. We know the whole number of students, and the keyword is of. So when it says of 120, that means there's 120 total. And then X goes here. And then we can either use the arrows, but more than likely we're going to have to cross multiply. We're probably going to get some silly answers. All right, so if we multiply straight across like this, 120 times 75 is 9,000. And then if we cross multiply the other way, we get 100x. So 100 times some number is 9,000. So to get x by itself, we could divide by 100 on both sides. And when we do 9,000 divided by 100, we will get 90. So that means 90 is 75% of 120. And think to yourself, does that make sense? Yes, because it's more than half, and it is less than 120. All right, let's try another. What percent of 75 is 60? This time it says what percent? We don't know the percent. So we're going to put an X up here above 100 because we don't know that percent. Then it says of 75. That means it is the total amount or the whole amount. So that's going to go down here. And then is 60, it's telling us that is part of 75. Okay? Because our part is smaller than the whole, it has to be less than 100%. All right, then let's cross multiply. If we multiply diagonally this way, we will get 6,000. And when we multiply this way, we get 75x. So 75 times something is 6,000. The inverse of multiplication is divide, so we can divide by 75 on both sides. And when we do 6,000 divided by 75, we get 80. All right, last example. 40% of what number is 25? Well, 40%, we know that. That's the easiest one to plug in. Of what number? We don't know the total amount this time. Is 25. That's our part. And the part, the key word is. So if you look for that, it makes it easier to figure it out. Then we'll cross multiply. If we multiply this way, we get 2,500. And when we multiply this way, we get 40x. So 40 times some number is equal to 2,500. The inverse of multiplication is division, so we're going to divide by 40 on both sides. When we divide 2,500 by 40, we get 62.5. So that would be the whole entire amount.